Do you know that 80% of the strawberries you consume in Nigeria comes from this farm? I know. Welcome to Vom, Plateau State, Nigeria. So I had to visit this farm. I mean, I can't call myself a food tourist in Plateau State and not visit where strawberries are produced. And honestly, I was completely impressed by the farmers, by the farming system, and everything. Besides strawberries on this farm, they had cabbages, lettuce, cassava, mulberries, and some other weird stuff that I don't know, bell peppers. Like, it was amazing. Broccoli and garden eggs, so many things. I was just blown away complete. I was proud. I was very, very proud. On another part of the farm, there's a water body that basically irrigates the farm, waters the farm during dry season, whatever. And they actually fish there as well. Like, even though right now it's dry because, it's dry season, but it was just cool to actually see people fish.